Video tutorial, we're going to show you how to actually implement a game that you've created into your own classroom with your own students. So what we're going to do is go into the list on our Kahoot account where it says My Kahoots, and this will be the list of all the quizzes that you've created, duplicated, transformed, whatever you have manipulated to work for your students. So we created a sample quiz in the past, video tutorial, but I'm actually going to use a pre-made quiz that I've created for my own students with my Algebra Common Core class. So in order to play this game, on your smartboard, Promethean board, whatever you have, you're going to pull up this quiz. You would click play for your students to allow them to actually sign up for the quiz and allow multiple people to join your quiz. Right now I'm going to preview to show you what you would actually see on the smartboard and what your students would see on their own handheld device. So when you're ready, you would hit launch, and your students, after going on getkahoot.com, they will be able to enter the specific pin for your game onto their own handheld device and enter it and sign up for your quiz. For this specific quiz, the handheld device code is 960268. So your students will enter this code into their own handheld, and then they will be able to sign up for your quiz after creating a nickname. And you will be able to see whoever signs up for your quiz on your own smartboard, and the whole class will actually be able to see, so you'll be able to pinpoint who wasn't successful in signing up, and you could help them when necessary. Once everyone's ready, you can hit start now and you can sign up for your quiz. This specific quiz is 16 questions. We won't go through all of it, but I do want to show you the different ways that you would see and the different things that you would see after answering each question. So as you can see, there's music playing in the background. Definitely a dramatic effect to get the kids kind of motivated in answering the questions. And then there is a timer providing them with a time limit on what they have for each question. In this specific one, they have to state the transformation based on the function y equals square root of x plus 1. After going through the lesson, they'll be able to see that this is actually up 1. So on their handheld device, they would select the red triangle to answer the question correctly. Afterwards, you will see a poll or a tally of whatever students are signed up for the class and which students selected each answer choice. And that is definitely beneficial for you. So if maybe not a lot of students got the question correct, you could maybe go over that topic in a little bit more depth and get into it more just so they have a deeper understanding of the material. Once you're finished, you go into the next question. You can play for points. And then the next question will allow the students to state the transformation again. Using this transformation, they'll have to determine whether it's moving left, right, up, and down. Let's say the student got this question wrong, and instead of saying to the left 3, they said to the right 3. So what they would see is incorrect on their own handheld device. They'll be able to see the correct answer here on the smartboard after, and they'll be able to see, and you'll as a teacher be able to see however many students got the question incorrect based on what they answered. In addition, there is a part of the question that the students run out of time and they'll be unsuccessful in answering the questions. In that case, the question will say timed out, and the student will be locked out of that question and won't receive credit for it. So this is how the Kahoot game is played, and you can go through each question. And this is a fun and interactive way to get your students involved in everything that's going on within the classroom. Again, you can pick whatever quiz you would like based on the Kahoots that you've created, searched, whatever. And then this is a fun way to get the kids involved, especially when you're working with younger kids or even older kids when you're doing some type of review. If there are any questions, you can always contact me via email and we can discuss further. If not, I hope you enjoy working with the program Kahoot and working with it with your students. Thank you so much.